Akin to Sleep. In today's video, let's dive into how to powerfully use the time that you spend sleeping by using Neville's SATS technique. So, hello everyone, I am Neha Kumar. I am your manifestation bestie because I love making manifestation easy for you. And today, let's dive into the SATS technique. So, state akin to sleep or SATS is literally a technique that you can do right before you go to bed that will enable you to reprogram your subconscious mind all throughout the night as you sleep, essentially giving you between 6 to 8 hours of thinking about your desire, and that is way more than enough in you manifesting your desire. So, how do we do the SATS technique? What is the step by step process? And let me give you a couple of variations that I have personally used with great results. Alright, so let's dive into it. The very first step in the SATS technique is to get into a state that is akin to sleep. Now, this state essentially means that whatever you think in a drowsy state where you are almost sleepy, you are very calm, you are fully relaxed, your brain, body, your mind, everything is fully relaxed. Any thought that you think, any image that you visualize in this state is directly going to get imprinted on your subconscious mind. So, what Neville suggests is this. This was an excerpt that was found in his lecture about living in the end, where he says that if a person goes to bed every night, relaxes and thinks. Back then he definitely preferred using imagination, using images. So if a person goes to bed at night and imagines themselves living in their desire, already having their desire, and goes to sleep with that image in their mind, there is no power that can stop this person from manifesting that desire. Meaning, if you relax yourself before sleep for 15 to 20 minutes, meditate for 5-10 minutes, completely relax yourself, and if you start thinking about your desire, now how do you have to think about your desire? As if you already have it, as if you already have your desire. You're living with it, you have it, you don't want to get it, you already have it. That is the key point here, that you already have your desire. If you bring an image of that situation into your mind as you lay down on bed in this relaxed state, or if you affirm for that state, you are going to manifest your desire. So, how can we go about doing this? How can you go about implementing the SATS technique in your life to get amazing results? And let me also tell you, what does it mean? Like, what does it mean to already have your desire? Like, what is it? How do you act like you already have your desire? Here's how you do it. The very first thing that I want you to do is to create one affirmation or create a Photoshop image of you already having your desire. Now, what does this mean? So, let's take the example of you want to manifest $1,000 every single day. You can use an affirmation, I earn $1,000 every single day, or you can Photoshop your account being credited with $1,000. You can Photoshop a notification that you've just received $1,000, edit that image, use it. Now, what you're going to do is, number one, if you have edited an image, as you meditate and as your body has fully relaxed, bring that image into your mind. Continue visualizing it. You can even create a 5-second loop. That's what Neville suggests. A 5-second loop or a whole movie about how it's going to happen. How you see there's a notification that has popped up, and you open that notification and you read that $1,000 have been deposited into your account. Or you can simply focus on that notification image, see that image, you go to bed with this. The second thing that I told you is that you can use affirmations. So what you do is you take that affirmation, I earn $1,000 every single day, and you simply keep repeating it like a mantra, like a chant. I earn $1,000 every single day. I earn $1,000 every single day, and you keep repeating it. You keep repeating it, and you fall asleep in this state. When you do this, you have successfully implemented the SATS technique, and you are about to get massive results. So get prepared. This technique absolutely works because the moment something gets programmed into your subconscious, the moment you go to bed, your subconscious mind is going to get reprogrammed with the idea of you earning $1,000 all throughout the time that you are sleeping. And when that happens, it will not take you long to manifest your desires. So this is the SATS process. I want you to try it because it gives powerful results insanely quickly. With that, thank you so much for joining me here today. Like this video, comment Master Manifester to become one, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and if you want my one-to-one services, check the description box or my pinned comment for all the details. I'll see you again soon. Bye.